Okay, I had a little surprise to my day, and yet more revelations about becoming. So I'm in San Francisco, wanted to make a quick run to pick up something from the store. Saw a light on my dash, decided, I should go by the Toyota spot. Turns out it was going to take an hour and a half. So I've taken this opportunity to walk around a new part of San Francisco. I don't know exactly where I am. So once I go back to pick up the car, I'll ask what part of town. But I thought, let me get my steps in for the day and let me walk around the neighborhood. So I went to a beautiful, fabulous, authentic Mexican restaurant. Saw some cute artsy-fartsy stores on the way, so I thought, I had more time. Let me go check it out. And you can pull me in with beauty, okay? So I went to a mochi donut shop, which I've never heard of mochi, and it was beautiful. The graphic design was amazing. Look, and of course I had to buy donuts. And so if I only bought 3, I was going to buy 2, one for me and one for Mom. Then I got this fabulous box. How beautiful is that? Wait, look, isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, just the box alone, like I'm gonna keep that because I like containers. But so that, and then the donuts themselves, which, hold on, let's see, it's gonna be hard to do with one hand. The box is so nice, I need 2 hands to open it. But even the donuts are pretty. So here I am enjoying some art, just out and about. Then I come up on a print shop. Just a little small, cute, gorgeous, again, beautiful place. I walk in, and why did they have art supplies? What? They have what? I lost my little mind. I was very calm and collected on the outside, and I was screaming and crying on the inside. I saw a Strathmore, so of course I had to leave with it, right? So here I am. With my Strathmore drawing pad, and I said to the man, do you have a charcoal pencil and a kneading eraser? And he knew what I was talking about, and he said, of course. So he hands me, let me see if I can find it. But then I get this loveliness. So if you're an artist, you know how the fabulosity of this, but I haven't had one of these maybe 30 years, because I lost everything, all my art supplies and everything, in a terrible storage debacle, which I don't want to talk too much more about, so I won't cry. And then a kneading eraser with a case. That's really important. Okay, so let me tell you why this is magical. As a little girl, I always wanted to be an artist, just by myself. No, I didn't have anybody around me. I didn't see anybody on TV. I just wanted to draw. And I would draw in my room. I would get construction paper and make little towns. I was always doing that. I was an only child for almost 12 years. And I decided I just wanted to be an artist. And I would tell people I'm going to be an artist when I grow up. And someone said to me at one point, well, you don't want to just be any kind of artist. You want to be a commercial artist because they make money. Oh, okay. I want to be a commercial artist. And by the time I went to Drake University, it was called graphic design. I became a graphic designer. But my first ever formal training in drawing, painting, everything was in my first classes at Drake University when I was studying to get my graphic design degree. And the first self-portrait that I ever painted, I painted it in my first and only painting class ever. And that portrait became the cover for all my poetry work, my Fine Art of Caring poetry book, for my Let Me Explain poetry album, for my Mystery Solved devotional. That is the art. It is a self-portrait that I painted with my own hands over 30 years ago. So the idea that my introduction in San Francisco is really going to be about Gwendolyn Fay, the poet, and not all these other things that I call myself and all these other roles that I have played that are still part of me, but it is about me as an artist. And when I walked into that shop and saw that notebook, I went, wait, I have been thinking about possibly taking another drawing class or taking a painting class, and I started looking actually a couple of weeks ago and just hadn't found anything yet. And the idea that I just saw those basic things that were in that store, and now I have them in my possession. Can I tell you? I cannot explain to you the joy. But what it does is it really helps me think about the purpose of becoming, the power of becoming, the power of giving yourself to who you are, to what you care about, and not thinking that everything else is more important than who you really are and what you really love. So I'm about to go. I'm doing everything I can not to cry, so I'm glad that my shades have kicked in, because I just can't even describe the excitement. But who are you putting off becoming for something that you have deemed as more important? Whatever that is, I want to encourage you to go after that.